working out at Grona Fit for past a year, and I'm proud of it.
How is your routine starting from?
So doing a little bit of mobility exercises, stretching, doggy walk, and spending some happy time with the family.
हम अपने दिमाग में रहना तो चाहते हैं elite,
हाँ,
but चलो
काम करते हैं वो वाले
95%. Hello guys, my name is Raman, co-founder at GrownFit Racecourse. We are a CrossFit gym here, and this is our first podcast called the Fitcast with our guest Shekhar Singh. And let's have a chat with Shekhar about his fitness routine and his obstacles and how does he keep himself motivated. Hi Shekhar, welcome to Fitcast. Let's start with your introduction, a one-liner. Where are you from? What do you do?
I'm glad that this is the first podcast and I'm the part of it.
Yeah.
I'm Shekhar Singh and I'm born and brought up in Dehradun, and I'm into construction business and have a Sardo bakery. And yeah, I've been working out at Grona Fit for past a year, and I'm proud of it.
Good. Thank you very much. This was unintended. मैंने इस चीज का इनको कोई इनको force नहीं करा था.
He hasn't given me the script.
Yeah, there's no script. So Shekhar, I know personally I've known you personally, so I know that you are involved into many things. You're into real estate, you have your own construction business. आपने एक sourdough bakery शुरू करी है जिसकी वजह से you keep traveling and all. How is your routine starting from the morning once you're out of the bed till the time the sun sets? How does your day look like?
So almost in 2009, when I wanted to lose weight, that's when my fitness journey started. I realized the first 2 hours is the best time to lose weight. At that time I realized, but then slowly realized that is the time where I gain the maximum focus and strength for the entire day. And so get up in the morning between 5 to 6 has been consistent. And then I will do my meditation, then I'll come to Grona Fit and do my workouts, then go back home, take my dogs out for the walk. These 3 things are something that has been with me for a very long time, if I'm in Dehradun or not. But these things I really make sure that I'm doing. Then my workout, the whole day begins, work, sites, bakery. Then 1 o'clock is when I pick up my daughter or someone else picks up my daughter, and then I have to I go and have lunch with her. That's something that I don't like to miss again. Then coming back in the evening, I realized recently that when whatever I'm doing early in the morning, if I start doing that in the evening also, it will de-stress my brain, my body, and make me ready to have a good night's sleep. Relaxed sleep.
Okay.
I used to think that just sleeping is good, it's relaxing, but to prepare yourself to sleep is even better. So doing a little bit of mobility exercises, stretching, doggy walk, and spending some happy time with the family.
That's nice.
That's
So again, I'm sure some of our box members will really be interested in knowing. कभी आपका मन नहीं करता कि यार आज मैं नहीं जाता हूँ वर्कआउट करने, because you travel also. आपका Delhi NCR में भी travel रहता है. Then sometimes you're in Simla for your bakery thing. I know you connect with people that way because you want to do organic stuff. So आप जगह जगह जाके लोगों को ढूंढते हैं जो अपना काम कर रहे हैं. So you have to travel for that. बहुत सारा research लगता है उसके लिए. कभी आपका ऐसा मन नहीं करता कि यार मैं बड़ा मेंटली फटीग हूँ, आज मैं वर्कआउट करने नहीं जाता हूँ, या फिर कल मैं लेट आया था आज मैं नहीं जाता हूँ, या मैंने आज आफ्टरनून में कहीं जाना है तो मैं थोड़ी तैयारी कर लेता हूँ, आज सुबह मैं वर्कआउट के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा. आपका कभी ऐसा what is your mental makeup that way?
I'll give an example of today only. Last night I reached home around 12. We had an event for the bakery.
Yeah.
And I was very tired. I woke up I saw the time as 5:45. I said, let me stay in bed for 15 minutes because I recently got up from a back injury. So I stayed in bed for 15 minutes and all the not so positive thoughts started coming to my mind. And I realized this is it. Now I have to get up. I got up and because वो routine है, so your mind starts telling you. It is a routine. If I don't follow the routine, I think any mind will start falling into a not so positive attitude. And if you get into that, you have to it's a very thin line. I feel for me, if I fall into that, then it's a downward spiral. I just have to pull myself back into it, get out of the bed, and I got off. And I got my daughter ready, dropped her to school, and then I picked up my bag and did my swimming.
Oh, nice.
So I didn't miss my workout today, even if I slept late and woke up beyond my time. Did my swimming and then I took a bath there and had my breakfast and then started off.
सुन लो don't forget वालों.
And even if I'm traveling, I don't miss my workout. Not a single day. And
ट्रैवलिंग में आपके वर्कआउट्स कैसे होते हैं? Do you plan your workouts for yourselves या मतलब is it just running, some push-ups?
Earlier there was no planning, but thanks to you
Okay.
and Runafit, because few times
Again unintended.
few times I was traveling and there was no good running track or a good environment to run. There was no climbing, there was no swimming. So I messaged Raman. मैंने कहा Raman, I want some workout यार घर पे करने के लिए. You remember that conversation? So you did send me workouts, and I was traveling continuously every day. You would send me workouts.
Yes.
So that I learned कि ये कर सकता हूँ मैं थोड़ा बहुत. And then I started programming myself, and that's how it has been.
Nice. So key takeaways. One is a routine. Then you talk about a mental spiral that जहाँ वो negative thought आने लगा वो आपको फटाफट नीचे खींचने की कोशिश करता है, and that exactly is a tip of time when you have to just push yourself out of that. Right? Once you fall into it, फिर तो आप
फिर गए.
So Shekhar, personally knowing you, मतलब एक जो मेरा एक जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है ये होता है आदमी लाइफ में सर्वाइवल के लिए कुछ काम करता है, जब वो पूरा हो जाता है तो then you start looking up, you want to step up, right?
Like Maslow's hierarchy.
Yes, the hierarchy, yes. So अब आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपकी लाइफ में सब सुख सुविधाएं हैं, आप क्यों अपने आप को सुबह कष्ट देते हो कि मैं वर्कआउट करूं, मैं अपना शरीर, आपको क्या जरूरत है? आपको अच्छा खाना अवेलेबल है, अच्छी ड्राइव आपके पास है, जगहें आपके आसपास हैं, आपके पास दोस्त हैं, आप क्यों ये सब? Why do you, if I can call it a de-investment, it may be a very wrong term, but why do you do that? आप क्यों सुबह उठ के आप सोचते हो कि मैं 1 घंटा अपने आप को दूं? Why?
Because there is no human limit. I mean, you can always go further and further, deeper and deeper. And there is a part of me that wants to explore that. How much can I push myself? That interests me. I mean, I don't do my work also to fill in my banks. I work to work. I enjoy the process. I don't like the end game. Because I am into climbing mountains. Climbing mountains, I realize the start and the finish are stagnant phases. Okay?
Wow. Yeah.
The journey is in the between. The motion and the reward is in the between part. So if I want a crore in my bank, and after I have it, I'll want more. Correct. So again, the enjoyment of crore is very less. But to reach from crore to 10 crores is much more. The journey to that. I'm talking about in terms of money because we run after a lot of money. But in same as in a journey. If I want to achieve a certain level of fitness, if I want to climb an X mountain, to journey to climb that mountain, to start from the base camp is even more exciting rather than reaching the summit. So in our climbing we say, you don't not only have to train to reach the summit, you have to train to come back.
Yeah.
A lot of people train to just reach the summit.
Yes.
But how about coming back? Because most of the accidents and most of the people die while coming back.
Right. Where do you value fitness? आपके लिए fitness की लाइफ में क्या जगह है? मतलब आप उसको कितना कम या ज़्यादा आंकते हैं? How important is it?
I can't say it 1, 2, 3. I'll say it is very important for me to stay happy, and I think that surpasses everything. To stay happy, and if I'm not happy, then I'm not happy anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't.
Then you can't enjoy that process.
Yeah, because my wife knows if I haven't done my workout, I'm not calm. There's a certain amount of fidgetity in me.
आप परेशान रहते होगे.
हाँ, मतलब I'm not focused. In the morning today in the morning for 2 hours I was not focused. Like I couldn't plan my day. I had to go to Mussoorie. I wasn't decided sure should I go to Mussoorie, should I not go to Mussoorie. But I said let me just go work out. I did my workout, went to the swimming, and after that everything became clear. It was like a fog lifted. So fitness is as important as food.
Right.
You can live without food, but still
you need a dose every day.
You need a dose every day for all these things.
हम भी अपने बॉक्स पे एक्चुअली यही कोशिश करते हैं. We tell people if you're not able to drop in for XYZ reason, just be active in the day. आप थोड़ा वॉक के लिए चले जाओ,
Correct.
स्टेयरकेस ऊपर नीचे कर लो,
Correct.
you know, instead of driving to a shop close by, just walk and come back. Do some squats at home, do some push-ups. हमारी बात में सुनता नहीं है वैसे. Anyhow, we'll move on. शेखर एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज है. Well, again, I'm coming back at the box because the idea of Fitcast is to relate your routine with your workout. कि जो आप असल जिंदगी में कर रहे हैं, are your workouts helping? So at the box we use a line that movement is medicine. मैंने कहीं सुना था और मुझे बड़ा अट्रैक्ट कर रहा था. आपके केस में I know you have अभी पिछले कुछ दिनों में आपको एक लोअर बैक इंजरी हुआ है. Big question. Why are you not sitting at home and resting? Why are you working out?
Because if I work out, only then I'll get back. I'll be stronger. If I give in, means giving in is like now surrendering. I mean, you have to have a warrior mindset. I mean, that's my feeling. If I don't have a warrior mindset, and whom do I have to fight is against these injuries and everything. Injuries will happen even if you are not doing any workout.
Yeah, that's true.
See, but I think I've had less injuries as compared to people who are sitting at home. Less people, like I'm touching 40, but I feel very active, and I feel like I can still do things that I was doing in 25, 26-year-olds.
Yeah.
Were doing when I was 25, 26-year-old. I wasn't that active when I am how I am today. So it is top.
So दोस्तों, movement is medicine. थोड़ी मोटी अगर चोट लगी है, बॉक्स पे आया करो, थोड़ा बहुत मूव करा करो, थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करा करो, थोड़ी एजिलिटी प्रैक्टिस करा करो, मोबिलिटी प्रैक्टिस करा करो, स्टेबिलिटी प्रैक्टिस करा करो. If there is an injury, it does not really, unless it bounds you to the bed, it does not allow you to move around. That's a different case. You have to give yourself time to just come back in that circuit again. But if you're mobile, you should make an effort to just do some sort of workout.
Right. Just start seeing yourself as Rocky, यार. Injury.
Yeah. कुछ तो सीखे. सिर्फ देखते ही हैं, we don't grasp, right? अच्छा, अभी आपने बात करी about 25, 26 when you were that old. Shekhar, I know you were in Bombay and you also have your stint with modeling and
Correct.
There are a couple of movies that are still on Amazon. आप उस टाइम पे when you were in Bombay, you were a model. And you had a very macho physique.
Correct.
मैंने आपकी कुछ photos देखी हैं. So and now you're into CrossFit. CrossFit is about high intensity. 20 मिनट के अंदर जितना कर सकते हो. आपको दोनों में कोई ऐसा फर्क लगता है? और what do you think? Bodybuilding was like fun, or are these short intense workouts more fun for you? What do you think?
I think it is a very purpose-driven things, both for me. They were very purpose-driven. I was into that isotrophy and those isolated movements to create that physique, so that I'm camera looking good, kind of a personality, which is a standard norm, back then and still today, and it has always been. So I enjoyed that also. Because you could see the change, you could see the transformation happening in 3 months' time. But I saw it like I was fat, I was like 120 kgs, and then I transformed myself to that. So for me, that was a very kickstart to my journey of fitness.
It must have been very inspiring for other people also.
I mean, people did enjoy seeing, they would like to ask how I did it. But when I started CrossFit, I was never first of all, I've always told you, I'm not a guy who does group exercises. पहली बार आ रहा हूँ मैं. What I enjoyed was the intensity that I enjoyed. That high intensity working out and keep pushing yourself, and still you have to do that last push-up.
Yeah.
And that's the reward. The reward is that one push-up.
Yes.
The last, पहले के 9 push-ups are not the reward.
Absolutely.
That one push-up is the reward. So what I started noticing after doing high-intensity workouts is the amount of what do you call it? Serotonin? Is the thing?
Melatonin. Melatonin.
So the flow of that, I started noticing it. Earlier you would read it. ठीक.
उसका effect नहीं पता होता.
Effect नहीं पता होता. So वो जो effect आने लगा और मैं day में और energetic feel करने लगा. दैट इज द ह्यूज डिफरेंस दैट आई फील। उस वर्कआउट के बाद मुझे लगता था मुझे घर जाके खा पी के 2 घंटे आराम कर लेना चाहिए। वो वर्कआउट्स ऐसे होते थे। ये वर्कआउट्स के बाद मेरे अंदर और एनर्जी है। सो विच इज अ साइंटिफिक हाउ साइंटिफिक वे यू हैव डिफाइंड इट, बट इट्स अमेजिंग।
नोट कर लिया दोस्तों, शॉर्ट वर्कआउट्स, इंटेंस वर्कआउट्स कीप यू happier and more creative through the day rather than just sulking in the bed कि अब मैं बहुत weights lift करके आ गया हूँ, I'll give myself a 1 hour or 2 hour break and sleep, right? So Shekhar, do you miss your that macho physique? आप you had big muscles and six pack abs. अब जैसे अब आप एक गृहस्थी में हो, आपके बच्चे हैं, आपकी वाइफ है, आपका काम है, आप दौड़ भाग करते हो, do you miss being a macho guy? कभी लगता है you should be into that shape again?
I mean, it hasn't. I will say I've not. That idea of having that physique hasn't died, but I think I'm right now at a stage where I want to focus more on my work and more equal amount of time I can give to my fitness so that I can do better work. But it's like it is in my mind that once maybe I run after क्या पता 10 साल बाद मेरा मन करे यार वापस से वो फिजिक कोशिश कर लेते हैं।
So let's say इसको हम ऐसे पुट कर सकते हैं, बॉडी बिल्डिंग इज अ हॉबी।
हाँ करेक्ट
है ना, which अब जैसे आपने बोला you wanted to build muscle that time because you want to look camera good,
correct,
वो आपका डिमांड था उस टाइम,
पर्पस था,
right? Next you said that now you work out so that you can work better in the day,
correct,
right? Okay, cool, that's a good takeaway. ये हम अगली बार अपने वर्कआउट पिच करते टाइम लोगों को यूज करेंगे। You work out here just to have a better day.
Definitely.
Cool. Okay, very nice. शेखर, मैंने काफ़ी डिस्कस करा भी आपके साथ कि हमारे बॉक्स के लोग कभी कभी कैसे छुट्टियाँ मार जाते हैं, थोड़ी शायरी मार जाते हैं। आपके कुछ सिली फ्रेंड्स ऐसे ऐसे फ्रेंड्स होंगे जो थोड़े से सल्की नेचर के होंगे, जो थोड़े बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं होंगे। What would you like to tell your friends and also to our members at the Root family who like skipping a couple of workouts here and there?
I mean, first of all, don't make it a habit. Skipping workouts. Who doesn't enjoy skipping a workout and going for a nice carry? But that's 95% of the people in this world who like to do.
Yeah.
You can choose whether you want to be into that 5% people or into that 95% of the people.
बहुत तगड़ी बात बोली आपने। हम अपने दिमाग में रहना तो चाहते हैं एलीट,
हाँ,
बट चलो
काम करते हैं वो वाले
95%.
Everyone, I mean, ask anyone, we all want to be elite, but we don't choose those things.
Yeah.
And I think you don't have to wait to choose those things. You can choose it right now.
Cool.
I'll just mention this small point about one of my climbing coach. He has hung a pull-up bar in his bedroom. So he made this a routine. Every time I'll cross this room, I'll do a pull-up.
Wow, अच्छा. Oh, you know somebody like that?
Yeah, of course. And he has told me to do that. कि whenever you cross this part of the room, just do one pull-up to increase your pull-up capacity. It's like मेरे को रोज pull-ups 100 pull-up नहीं करने, बस एक pull-up bar टांग को एक जगह।
जब आप उसको क्रॉस करो,
do one pull-up. And he's India coach for climbing.
Oh wow. That's an inspiration.
Yeah.
So I think, guys, very important takeaway is that we want to be elite, but then we are not doing anything to be in that elite class. When I say elite, it is not just about looking polished, but it is about being elite in the head, feeling that you're elite. So I think that's where we like to take a pause. Thank you, Shekhar, for your time and putting in these thoughts. We'll end this Fitcast by this beautiful thought that be elite, move to be elite. It is okay to break routine here and there sometime, but then don't make it a habit. Well said. Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure, Jiten.
It was a pleasure. Thank you. See you all.